Your Ford Focus key is stuck, and you need it out right now. Grab the steering wheel firmly with your left hand. Pull it hard to the left, then hard to the right. You are looking for the side that has a little movement. Once you find that slight movement, pull the wheel heavily in that direction. Keep constant, heavy pressure on the steering wheel. Do not let go. With your right hand, gently jiggle the stuck key back and forth inside the ignition cylinder. Stop trying to twist the key forcefully. As you hold the steering wheel pressure, the mechanical bind inside the column will release. The ignition lock cylinder will suddenly free up. The key will click backward and slide out smoothly into your hand. You are finally free to leave the driver's seat. This scary lockup happens because the steering column acts as an anti-theft device. When your front tires rest against a concrete curb, massive tension builds up. That heavy tension traps your key instantly. Never use brute force when this lockup occurs. Yanking the key aggressively will snap the metal blade off inside the barrel. Grabbing heavy pliers will permanently destroy the delicate brass tumblers. You must always relieve the mechanical pressure instead of fighting it. A gentle, coordinated approach solves this frustrating issue every single time. Always remember to straighten your steering wheel completely before parking your vehicle. Avoiding cramped parking spaces and sharp concrete curbs will prevent this mechanical trap from ever stranding you again.